So if we've ever hanged out in real life, you know that a huge passion project of mine was to develop a total black clothing brand. So a clothing brand with t-shirts, pants, hats that are completely total black. And everything you're looking on screen right now, the product, the design, the technical drawings, the actual file you'd hand to a factory, I made this whole thing with just one sentence. It literally just took me a few minutes to turn what I had in my mind as a passion project to something real. No designer, no CAD software, and I genuinely can't draw to save my life here. So in this video right here, I'm gonna show you exactly how I managed to achieve this, and I'm gonna show you how to do this for your own brand with whatever product idea is sitting on your head right now. So full disclosure, this video right here is sponsored by Genpire, which is the software that we're going to be utilizing to achieve this. And there's a link in the description that supports this channel right here. But you know who I am. I wouldn't put my name into stuff that I actually don't use. So I'm going to show you the good parts of Genpire and also the parts that are still a bit rough. Good? So let's get right to this. So here's what got me interested. Pretty much everyone watching this video right here has had a product idea in their heads at some point. You know, a piece of clothing, a bag, some gadget, whatever it is. But almost none of these ideas actually ever get made. And it's not because they're bad ideas. It's just because of everything that comes after the idea itself. Because normally to get a physical product made, you need a designer, you need someone to do the technical drawings, you need something called a tech pack. And if you've never heard the term tech pack before, it's pretty much the spec sheet that a factory needs before they even talk to you about manufacturing the product that you have in mind. Measurements, materials, how the whole thing is stitched together, all of that stuff. Now, getting all of this done the old way costs money, takes weeks, and usually a bunch of expensive back and forth with samples. 99% of people will quit in this part of the process. And the same applies to me, right? I never executed the idea of my total black clothing brand. But Genpire actually changes this whole framework. So this right here is the gap that this tool is trying to close. The simplest way I can put it is that you describe a product in plain English, just like you would explain it to a friend, and it generates the concept, the technical sketches, and the full tech pack that a factory can actually work from. They call this vibe manufacturing, which, okay, made me roll my eyes a bit. But if you think about it, the idea behind this is actually pretty solid. You bring the vibe and the AI handles the boring technical translation of the whole thing. And by the way, it's not just clothes. You can design shoes, jewelry, bags, furniture, toys, home stuff, basically any physical product that you can imagine. Okay, enough of the talking. Let me actually launch Genpire and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so we are here inside of Genpire, and as you can see, we have this prompt section in which I can literally describe what I want to create. So let me go ahead and describe the idea that I have in my mind. So this is the prompt that I'm going to be using. I want to create a collection of total black minimalistic clothing that applies to everyday scenarios. I want hoodies and t-shirts. Let me change this. T-shirts and linen shirts that look comfortable and minimalistic. Also include socks and hats and pants. So I'm just going to click generate product and see what Genpire will come up with. So for the hoodies in your minimalistic collection, what pocket configuration do you envision? Let's see. Single kangaroo pocket for functionality, I would say. What type of closure do you prefer for the pants in your collection? A zipper for a clean look. We could do buttonfly for classic touch. Let's do a zipper for clean look. For the hats in your collection, what type of brim style are you considering? Let's do curved brim for a traditional look, right? Would you like to prepare a size grading guide for your manufacturing? Yes, generate sizes. So the size guide is now generated. I will remove extra small and XXL just to make things a bit simpler. And let's click on design it. So now Genpire is going to design the collection. So we just have a brief, again, view of the hoodie that we designed. And it looks like this. Right? Now, there are multiple things that we can do here. For example, we can edit logos. We can add or remove logos in the hoodie. Of course, you can change the colors, and we can also try virtual try-on. So let's click on try-on, and you get to choose your model here. So let's choose, for example, Daniel, which is a classic model, right? In this case, I'll just use it blank and click on generate try-on for us to, again, visualize how this hoodie will look in a genuine person. So let's see the model here. I'm going to click on it, and this is again, a photo of the model with the hoodie that we created. So let's say that I want to edit the hoodie a bit. And what I want to do is that I want to change these sleeves to something more sleek. All right, what I'm going to do is then click on close. So I gave this prompt and let's see how Genpire will actually react. Yup, and now the sleeves don't have these elastic bands. Okay, now, for example, I can remove these cords from the hood. So let's go ahead and type. So let's wait for a moment and let's see the cords being removed. Yep, and the cords are now completely removed. And let's say that I want to make this hoodie a zip-on. We can actually also do this, all right? Paste, and we can completely, again, keep on editing and editing and editing this product right here until it matches exactly what we have in mind. And boom, just like that, you got a zip-on. This actually looks really good. So now if you're happy with the product that you have visualized, and of course you can keep engaging with Genpire, you can click on generate all views to generate the back and the side view of this hoodie that we created here. And there you have it. We got the back view of the hoodie, right? And it looks like this. And we got the side view of the hoodie, which looks like this. So once you're happy with how the front, back, and side look of any product you visualized looks like, you click on continue to specs to go ahead and analyze again the specifications of your product. Category fashion and apparel. Product type hooded sweatshirt. It's casual wear, right? It will weigh about 350 grams. And the subcategory is outerwear. So again, we can dive deeper into the specs. You have the points of measurements, everything that you wouldn't be able to source by yourself. Because again, you're not a designer. We have the width, the weight, the depth, the sleeve length, the shoulder width, and all of these are again subject to change if you don't like them. Regarding components, right? You have the components, the close-ups, and the print files. So before you hand off this product, before you have the whole tech pack developed and ready to be sent to a manufacturer, there are some certain things that you might want to add to this page right here regarding the specs of the product. Now, if you're not a designer and if you're someone like me who has no idea regarding developing a product and designing a product and just have an idea on your mind, you can click on handoff and then complete all sections with AI. So we're going to actually click on complete all sections with AI. And this is the huge prompt that Genpire actually automatically created to just complete all of the sections. And now we are almost ready and completed to hand this off to a manufacturer to have it developed. Just like that, in literally less than 3 minutes, we took an idea from my head and actually have a tech pack ready to be forwarded to a manufacturer to develop this hoodie, which is like super cool and super awesome. And now the design of our product is ready. You get an email from Genpire telling you that your first product is actually ready to be manufactured. And when you click on it, you will be redirected to this page right here, which says your product is ready. Now let's make it real. You can either share this whole doc right here with the specifications of your product with your supplier, or actually get a quote with another supplier that Genpire actually collaborates with. So who is this actually for? If you're a founder about to launch your first product, this is pretty much a no-brainer. If you're a creator wanting to create your first merch or your own physical thing, this is also a cool option for you. Designers too, honestly, it just takes all of the robotic, repetitive tasks off your shoulders. And if you just had an idea like me and you want to test it before spending real money on it, again, this is a solid option for you. But I'll be straight with you though, this is not magic. Genpire makes the designs and the documents, but it doesn't manufacture the real thing. You still need a real genuine factory at the end. But Genpire actually takes you 90% of the way there. And that 90% honestly is the part that stops most people from starting out. So regarding pricing, Genpire runs on credits. You can grab a one-time pack or go pro if you want to use it and engage with it a lot. I'll drop the current pricing in the description so you get the real numbers. On top of that, if you want to help the channel out and get some free credits on Genpire, you can click on the first link in the description. So that's pretty much it. If you have an idea that has been sitting on your brain, go give it a go with Genpire. Click on the first link in the description and type in the idea that has been sitting on your brain and just see what Genpire comes up with. Worst case scenario, you waste 10 minutes. And best case scenario, you finally see and visualize the thing that has been sitting on your brain for so long. So thanks so much for sticking up to the end of this video. I'm going to see you in the next one.